Hey guys, welcome back to shop today. We're going to be back on the Cushman. We're going to start working on the exhaust. I got to get this thing done, get it out of here, make room for winter projects and everything. So I'm going to turn the camera around here and we'll get show you what I'm going to be working on here. Alright guys, this is what we're going to use for exhaust. This is rigid steel elbows for conduit. It's 1 inch. It is pipe thread, but we're not going to be using the threads a whole lot. As you can see from where it's pointing down here on the frame, I want to bring it right down against that frame there so I can attach it so it's rigid. And then up here, I'm going to get another pep nipple that'll screw into the block area. I'm going to cut the threads off there, off the end, and I'm going to make a flange, 4-bolt flange with a gasket, so we can bolt it together because I can't attach it and spin this around because it hits the bottom of the seat and stuff. So that's the plan. We're going to try it. If it works, great. If not, then we'll go with plan B, but plan A should work. I'm going to get stuff ready and we'll bring you back when we're making the flanges and the other nipple that goes into the block. So hang on. Alright y'all, I got my flanges made. You can see here, got the center hole all drilled out, got the 4 holes around the outside. What I did with these was I took 2 pieces of 1/8 inch, tack welded them together all 4 sides to keep everything square, and that's when I drilled my holes and everything. Now I'll take the grinder and sand all 4 of them off, clean them up good. I'll deburr the holes on the inside, and I'll get them put on the 2 pieces of pipe. And what I'll actually do is I'll bolt them together, and then I'll get them tack welded in place, take them off, weld them up good and solid, and make a gasket for in between, and we'll have a working exhaust. So we'll bring you back after I get these welds ground off and get ready to tack them in place. Alright guys, before I went ahead and welded the flange up to the pipes, I decided to go ahead and make my exhaust gasket. This is just an old gasket I had. I believe it's from a golf cart, and it fits in there really nice. Nice gap around the edges. I got 3 of the 4 bolts. There's actually a hole already in this side here, so I used it for alignment. I'll just drill through that one right there, and we'll bolt these 2 down snugly, and then I'll just cut it out from the center there, and we'll have an exhaust gasket. Figured it'd be a lot easier to do that than do it after I get the pipes welded up. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and get the pipes all welded up and everything and get this thing put together. Alright guys, there you go. There's the gasket. I know it's a little thin along the sides there, but hoping that it'll hold. If not, I've got a couple other ideas what to do. Nothing else. I'll just get a piece of copper and cut it out and put it in there, and we'll be done. I am planning on making a cardboard template of this to make gaskets if I have to, but hoping I won't have to. So, alright, let's get these flanges welded onto the pipes and get this thing bolted together, and we'll fire her up and see what she sounds like maybe. Alright guys, we got the flanges all welded on the pipes. Now we're just going to thread this in here. I got my lock collar on there. Right there's that. That's where that needs to be. Tighten up the lock collar here. Find my hammer and my punch. Lock this thing down. Okay, there, that's tight. Now we'll get the sorry about that y'all, battery went dead in the camera. I didn't notice it, but all I did was I think you guys seen me tightening that nut up here. I just added my downpipe on with the gasket, and I tightened 3 of the 4 bolts, and I just need to tighten this last one here up. Alright, we got that tight. That thing's on there good and snug. She ain't gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod here and show you what it looks like from the side here. We'll bring you back in a second. Alright guys, this is what it looks like here from the side. It comes out of the motor here through the flange, and it dumps out right in front of the fender well here, right down here. I do have a little bit more distance here. I may put a turnout to the side here. I'm not sure yet, but that's the basic what we got going on here. I may actually put a muffler on the end of it. I'm thinking about putting a 45 on the end of there, and then a muffler. But for right now, we're going to run our straight pipe. If it's too loud, then I'll put the muffler on it. If it's not, then we're going to run it the way it is. I'll just add a little chunk of pipe there to get it down below the frame. If you can see down there, it stops about 2 inches before that engine frame. So that's going to do it here for the exhaust now. Appreciate y'all watching, and if you're new to the channel, like always, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell, get all the notifications. Appreciate all my subscribers and all my viewers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. So y'all take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.